Gang, gang. Gang, gang. Dang, dang. What's good? Do it one time and then do it again. Okay, we got a little 3 Series. We got a lot of BMWs out here. Oh, okay. Hardtop convertible. This is cool. Got the comp seats. Oh, damn, this bitch is low. Some HREs. You get a little baller. Shit low as bitch. What's good, man? This you?
No.
This you? Oh, damn, man. You gonna do the runs too? Or what?
Huh?
You gonna do the runs too?
Sure.
Okay, cool, man. Sita. Don't forget the name. Hey, bro, that's you?
Yeah.
Can I record it?
Yeah.
Damn, dude, it's sick, bro. I'm Mike.
Hey, I'm Ty.
Ty? What's good? Damn, it's a rap?
Yeah.
Fuck, this shit's...
Black Shadow.
Oh, damn.
Red Guts. Yeah, you can take a look on the inside.
Okay. Let's take a look at... Oh, normally it's silver?
Yeah, that's the...
Oh, damn, I really like what you do with the steering wheel.
Thanks, man.
Damn. Thanks for the video.
Of course, brother.
Man, stay up, man. You gonna do the runs too?
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Oh, we got some GM. Ooh, so Target's closed, Thanksgiving, and this fool gotta take a shit. They gotta pee. Okay. Ooh wee. Oh, hey, we can do. Hey, this is a cool shot that I can edit. So you know, do a little pull and don't try crazy.
No, they got no seatbelts.
No man, you know what I'm talking about. All right. This is rolling time. Rolling time.
No. Oh, what about the 76?
No, just forget it.
The gas station, you wanna check it out?
I don't care.
Yeah. Gut feeling always. And that's the M3. That's the M3 pull right there for y'all. Today was a fun ass fucking day. We got the M3. My brother's M3 right there. Right? Shit's popping. Ooh, we got M5 V10. We got Mike with the Subi. Right?
Yeah.
We ran it. I hope we got the video. I knew that fool was calling the cops. What's up? Nah, for real?
Hey, watch out for the
Huh? I know, that fool's a bitch.
And I see him every week over there.
You see him every week?
He's the the organizer of the gun range.
Oh, he could suck on these motherfuckers. Look at my cuz.
After after they pulled off, this motherfucker.
Where are we? Oh wow. Oh damn, it's like a car heaven. M3. I like that one. Damn. This is a bad one. Damn. Wish you would have had one. Okay. Oh, this shit is bad too. Okay. I like that color. Oh damn, got some good wheels on. It's automatic. Damn. That shit's sick. Oh, we got the cool lineup. Oh, we got the drone in the motherfucking air.
You grabbing that motherfucking thing, dude.
Hell yeah. Oh, yo.
I was trying to keep up, bro.
I can't beat you on the straight, but you know, I'll take you on the corner.
You was doing that shit.
We was doing that shit, dude. Man. I'm about to follow your Instagram right now, but I want to get some shots. And damn, this nigga's a good ass driver.
Ooh. Both of these cats right here, dude.
Ooh.
Blue and red one. That fucking blue one's on my ass the entire time.
Damn. Oh, this is my this is the fan. This is the fan lineup. Bad Bunny, Rosita. My cousin's car. Oh, Subi guy. Is that the one I raced? Oh man. I gotta get the boss. Damn, look at where the fuck I'm at. Look at all that. Look at all that shit. We got the bikers. But I came here to see the boss. This is the car that beat me on the straight. This is bad. This is a bad one. This is stick. Okay, he beat me on stick fair and square. Continental, his tires newer than mine. Shit is bad. Ooh, fuck. I like this. Damn. C6. Shit's bad. I fuck with this. Stick shift. Damn. Damn, that shit's bad. Ooh wee. The happy Thanksgiving. So you guys having a good time?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Got the bands. Ooh. Damn, this is a CLK? Damn. This used to be my dream car. This you? Damn, bro, I love it. I used to have a C350, but I wanted to get the AMG Black Edition. Is this the Black Edition?
Black Series, yeah.
Fuck, dude, it's so fat. How's the ride? You guys?
Amazing. Yeah, it's
It was amazing, yeah. Damn, dude, sick, man. All right. Oh, we got the Porsche game right here. Get this one. Oh, the white one is, hey, baby, yes.
You have PSM and ESP, right? Yeah.
And then
Yeah, stability versus, they're the same.
I think that's enough for right now. Oh.
I have no connections. And he got wood. Sylvia's took it, yeah. Oh, he's catching up? No.